Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making a quick and easy chicken fried rice. Here I have a pound of chicken breast and I have 1 teaspoon of salt here, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix everything up. Looks good. My wok is very hot. I'm adding the oil. 4 teaspoons of oil. Adding the chicken. Making some nice hot wok fried rice. Chicken with chicken. Tastes better in your wok. Chicken will be cooking there for a couple minutes and then I'll show you the rice. That's a basmati rice I made this morning. While the chicken is cooking, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. That's one. Another one. So 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. I'll be using this sweet chili sauce too, 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. This is the oyster sauce. I like to use Panda. It's really good in fried rice and chow mein. A teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mixing everything together into a paste. Add 1 teaspoon of Chinese sauce from Guyana. That's the one here. Cheap Chinese sauce. It tastes really good in fried rice. So this make it even sweeter. Look at the sauce. Looks so good. Add half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything here. I'll put some fry on top of the fried rice, so I'll fry this aside. Chicken looking good. I'll push this on the side and then I'll add my onion, garlic, and then I'll add some green onion, 1 red pepper. Smells so good, the garlic and ginger. Looking good. It's looking good there. Check out the eggs here. Looking good. Adding some carrots. Adding some bora. Adding a teaspoon of chicken fried rice seasoning. Look at that. Adding the rice. Adding the eggs. Adding the fried rice sauce that I made earlier. Adding some green onion. Mix everything up now. Smells so good. When the kids come from school, they will have fried rice for dinner. And I have chicken wings in there. Chicken parmesan wings I bought yesterday. So they will have fried rice and chicken wings. I made shrimps, but I don't eat shrimps, so I said let me do a quick fried rice for them. Smells so good. I like the color too. Anyways guys, look at the fried rice here. I love this color. This is the color I like. Really nice. Let me know if you like how it turns out. Looking so good. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends if you like how my fried rice comes out. Looking so delicious. Smells so good too. Check it out guys. Looking so good. Making it for the kids. Looking so good. Check out the fried rice here guys. Looking so yummy. Thanks again for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.